lower third, we're going to click the graphics button up here to go to the graphics workspace. And then we'll see all the graphics we can add to our timeline. In the search bar, I'm just going to type in lower to find some of the lower thirds, and click the basic lower third, drag it into our timeline. Now you'll notice it's short right here, so once it gets past there, it will disappear. So we need to drag it out to match that shot. And then we can double click on the text to edit it here. We're going to do the same thing to create our end credits. In the graphics workspace, click Browse, and I'm just going to type in credits. And you'll see some movie credits here. We can also type in title to see some simplified ones there. What I'm going to do is just drag a basic title to the end of my video and put my name here. Now right now that's going to stay still, but if we click on the graphic, we should see these options pop up right here with a roll button. And if we click that, then when we play our video, it will roll just like credits in a movie.
I can't believe you're finally in high school. Me neither.